Hey everybody, am I going to see you at Rainmaker 2019 this year? It is the premier sales engagement conference. Out of all the conferences that we go to every single year at JBarrows, this one is by far one of our favorites. It's going to be held on March 11th through the 13th down in Atlanta, and if you want information, go to salesloft.com to find out all the information that you need to come and join us, me, Morgan, and the JBarrows team while we talk about sales and try to upskill everybody and make sure that we're all walking out of there with some stuff that we can do immediately to improve our results and elevate the profession of sales. I'm going to be standing up on stage giving a keynote on where the state of sales is right now and where I see it going. Morgan's going to be on a panel, and we're also going to be doing a workshop on sales and marketing messaging and what the difference is and how to create sales messaging that you could actually put into SalesLoft and execute with immediately coming out of that. So join me and the JBarrows team as we have some fun, learn some new stuff, and get ready to make it happen. See you soon.